Welcome, today I am with JBL Charge 5 and I will show you how you can charge your smartphone, like for example the Android smartphone, by using your speaker. So at first you need a cable with USB-A entrance. You have to rotate your speaker, open this cover, input right here the cable, put it like that. Then you have to input this plug, this USB-C cable to the connector to your smartphone. And right now just press once on the power button to turn on your speaker. As you can see, right now my smartphone is charging by using our JBL Charge 5 speaker. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.